Good afternoon, dear students. Today I want to discuss some remaining terminology related to previous chapter fraction and some problems. Let us see what is equivalent fraction. A given fraction and the fraction obtained by multiplying or dividing its numerator and denominator by the same non-zero number are called equivalent fraction. Means, dear student, in any fraction, if you divide the numerator and denominator by same number, then obtained fraction is called equivalent fraction. As 3/4. If we multiply 3 by 2 and 4 by 2, we get 6/8. So 6/8 is equivalent fraction of 3/4. Similarly, 9/12 is equivalent fraction and 12/16 is equivalent fraction of 3/4. Okay. Next term, like fractions. See, dear student, fractions having the same denominator but different numerator are called like fractions. Means ऐसे fractions जिसके डिनोमिनेटर सेम हो और न्यूमरेटर डिफरेंस हो, then those fractions are called like fractions. As 5/14, 9/14, 11/14, etc. are the like fractions. See here, denominators are same, so these are like fractions. Next term, unlike fractions. Fractions having different denominators are called unlike fractions. मीन्स ऐसे fractions जिसके डिनोमिनेटर डिफरेंट हों उनको unlike fractions कहते हैं. जैसे 2/5, 5/7, 9/13 etc. are the unlike fractions. Next, in irreducible fraction. What is irreducible fractions? A fraction a/b is said to be irreversible or in lowest term if HCF of a and b is 1. मीन्स ऐसे फ्रैक्शन जिसके न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर का HCF 1 हो, then those fractions are called irreducible fractions. Means fraction in lowest term, as 5/7, 11/13 etc. are irreducible fraction. Reducible fraction. Next term, if HCF of a and b is other than 1, then a/b is said to be reducible fractions. Means ऐसे फ्रैक्शन जिनके न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर का HCF 1 के अलावा कुछ हो, those fractions are called reducible fractions. For example, 10/15, 84/98 etc. are reducible fractions. See problem, important problem of this chapter. Arrange the fractions 2/5, 3/10, 9/14 and 16/35 in ascending order. For the solution of this problem, the given fractions are written 2/5, 3/10, 9/14, 16/35. We have to change above fraction in like fraction having denominator LCM of 5, 10, 14, 35 equal to 30. Means, dear student, इन फ्रैक्शंस को असेंडिंग आर्डर में चेंज करने के लिए हम लोगों को सभी फ्रैक्शन को लाइक फ्रैक्शन में चेंज करना होगा. उस फ्रैक्शन का डिनोमिनेटर जो है 70 होगा. मीन्स जितने फ्रैक्शंस के डिनोमिनेटर हैं सबका एलसीएम फाइंड करने, तो वो 70 है। मीन्स हर फ्रैक्शन का डिनोमिनेटर 70 हमको लाना होगा। देन ऑल फ्रैक्शंस बिकम्स लाइक फ्रैक्शंस। सी फर्दर changing the above fraction in like fractions having denominator 70. So first fraction 2/5, 5 में किस नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करें 70 आ जाए, दैट इज 14. देन वी मल्टीप्लाई न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर बाई 14. 2 multiplied 14/5 multiplied 14 that is equal to 28/70. Second fraction 3/10 equal to 3 multiplied 7/10 multiplied 7 equal to 21/70. Third 9/14 equal to 9 multiplied 5/14 multiplied 5 equal to 45/70. And 16/35 equal to 16 multiplied 2/35 multiplied 2 that is equal to 32/70. Then we see that the denominator all fractions become 70. So these are 28/70, 21/70, 45/70, 32/70 आर लाइक फ्रैक्शंस. ठीक है, सबका डिनोमिनेटर सेम हो गया. डिनोमिनेटर सेम है तो अब इसको जो है कि जिसका न्यूमरेटर सबसे छोटा होगा वो सबसे पहले आएगा. मीन्स क्लियरली 21/70 इज लेस दैन 28/70 इज लेस दैन 32/70 इज लेस दैन 45/70. Here we see 21/70 is equivalent fraction of 3/10. 28/70 is equivalent fraction upon 2/5. 16/35 is equivalent fraction of 32/70 is equivalent fraction of 16/35 and 45/70 equivalent fraction of 9/14. Hence we can write 3/10 is less than 2/5 is less than 16/35 is less than 9/14. So ascending order of the given fractions are 3/10, 2/5, 16/35, 9/14. That's answer. See another problem. Add 8 whole 3/4 plus 10 whole 2/5. For solution, convert the above both fractions in improper fraction. Means denominator multiplied whole number 8 multiplied 4, 4 8 ja 32 plus 3 35/4. It can be also changed in improper. 5 10 ja 50 plus 2 52/5. Taking LCM of both denominator, LCM of 4 and 5 that is 20. Then we divide 21st by 4. Quotient is 5. 20 को 4 से डिवाइड करते हैं, quotient 5. Multiplied this numerator. Similarly 20 is multiplied by 5. Quotient is 4, that is multiplied this numerator. That is equal to 5 multiplied 35 equal to 175 plus 4 multiplied 52 equal to 208/20. Adding this is a 483. 175 or plus 208 equal to 483 and upon 20. Change this improper fraction in mixed fraction, we get 19 whole 3/20. 19 whole 3/20. That's answer. So dear student, you can solve now all the problems of exercise 2A without any hesitation. Complete this exercise please. I will check it when school will reopen after lockdown. Thanks.